Hi, I'm Robin Thomas. I'm an English guy living an adventure lifestyle here in Bolivia, high up in the Andes Mountains. I have a YouTube channel called Robin's Adventures. On this channel we make videos of motocross bikes, enduro bikes, maintaining, racing them, playing with them. We also do a lot of 4x4ing in our Land Rover Discovery 2, which we've modified. And we like to go overlanding, and we like to go camping in the mountains, and we like to enjoy Bolivia. So if you want to know more about Bolivia, more about the racing and maintenance of bikes, come and enjoy me on the channel, Robin's Adventures. Click the subscribe and the link button. We'll be making a new video, posting it every Friday. So join us on the channel. Thank you very much. Good morning. We're here in Bolivia again. Try and stop the camera rocking. I don't know what it's doing. Look okay? Do I look okay? Yeah, it's good enough. Good enough. Right. Had a little fall yesterday. You can see how dirty the motorcycle is. We was up in the mountains, in the rivers, and the dust and that. A beautiful motorcycle, bit dusty. We'll give it a clean later. But on the way back, we had a little accident. And we damaged the handguard. So today's job, straighten out the handguard. It snapped a bolt in the end of it. We're going to replace that bolt in the end of it. We'll put it in the vise. It's aluminium. We'll give it a straighten up. We'll try and get rid of some of the abrasions on it, and get her ready to rock and roll again. So this is today's job. Maybe you can see it in a bit better detail from this angle here. Like I say, this would normally connect to the hand on the end here with a screw that's snapped, and you can see from the shape of it, it is bent. So yeah, we're going to straighten her out. As you can see, like I said, she's a bit dusty, but she was beautiful in the mountains yesterday. We was having so much fun down the little dirt sand tracks that go through the quinoa fields, one curve after the other, give it some gas. Oh, she was beautiful. Had a lot of fun, and then I come to the end of the road. The car came round the corner on the wrong side of the road. I braked a bit too hard and lost the front end, and yeah, as you can see, we bent the handlebar protector. But we can fix that, no worries. There we go, she's back together, all nice and straight, perfect again. Ready for another little ride, maybe this afternoon, we'll see. Yeah. So we're here out in the pampa, just giving it a really good thrashing. You know, the speedo's indicating over 110 kilometers an hour through the middle of straight bits back there. So she's pulling good, pulling strong, she's not misfiring at all. She's a lot of fun to ride. Hope you guys can hear me with the wind noise. But yeah, we're going to turn around now and go back to the workshop. We got a little bit of a fault leak from the front seal here, so we're going to give that a clean. But apart from that, she's ready to race.